Well folks, Facebook Marketplace strikes again. Howdy folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my new-to-be Arctic Cat 700 Diesel. And I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace today. This is a 2-owner ATV. Has very low kilometers. It's 1431 kilometers or 184 hours. Overall, it's in really good shape. A little bit of surface rust underneath, but we're going to refinish all that and get it looking like new. To start it, you turn on the key. You need to actually wait till the glow plug light turns off. It's that green light right there. So as you can see, the bike started up well. It's about -5 out today, so it's quite chilly. So the nice thing it came with is a back seat for a passenger, as it is a extended model with the 2-up seating. As well, it has heated hand grips, which is a nice bonus. Has a winch on the front, and we're actually gonna get rid of this trailer hitch here on the front. I just want to restore it back to original. We're going to redo all the racks, a little bit rusty. We're going to redo some of the decals on it. We're going to upgrade all the bulbs to LED. We're going to go through and do a service of the front and rear differential, the transmission, as well as the engine oil filter, the fuel filter being a diesel. As if you can see right there, the little orange filter there, we're gonna switch out that. And as well under here is where your air filter is at, as well as your coolant right there. So we're gonna check this filter and no doubt replace that also. Let's take a look under the seat. I've actually never seen this off. Go. It's nice to see we have our original toolkit. So we're going to clean all this up, touch up any rust. We're going to clean all the engine area as well in there. We want this thing looking nice and new. And that's where you check your transmission fluid level. As well, right down there is your dipstick and your fill right there for your engine oil. Overall, the plastic is in amazing shape, being a 2007 model. The only thing I would say, there was probably a little crack there. It looks like repair, but looks like it was done correctly. It's nice. It has a spot for a trailer hitch. Has a new battery, and the tires were put on last year as per the last owner. All right, let's check the lights. That's low beam, the other was high beam. Let's check the brake light. Perfect. And the brake light's working. So why did I get a Arctic Cat 700 diesel? Well, there's not a whole lot of them out there. I'd sooner have a bike that's not like every other bike that's currently out on the trails. This is different as well. My tractor is a diesel, so it's nice to get another diesel in the family. I believe these are a Lombardi or a Kohler diesel engine, which have been around forever. Let's also test the winch. This here is actually a differential locker instead of the electric ones like all the new bikes have. On the left side, you have your low, high, neutral, and reverse. And over here is your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, your throttle, again your brake, your engine off or run, your start, your winch controls in and out, as well as your lights, high and low beam. On your key here, you have off, on, or on with lights right there. I also like the fact, as far as originality, it has all the original warning decals on it. And that's your glow plug light, and that's your battery light. And again, this is for your heated grips. Looks like they're wired right into the battery. And as you can see, overall length, they're quite a bit longer than a regular size standard four-wheeler. Alright, so the next few videos of the Arctic Cat are going to be maintenance videos, as well as refinishing the racks, touching up any rust underneath of it, and possibly looking at putting a plow on it for the winter. Like always, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for future videos, or any recommendations as far as this bike, certainly put them in the comments below. Really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Take care.